I swapped my face with just my mobile, and the result is so amazing. I'm not going to take time, so I'll go right into the video. Come with me, let me show you how to do it. Just your mobile phone. If you have a mobile phone, then you can do it. Are you ready? Let's go to your Chrome, type faceswapper.ai. Let it load and it will bring you to this interface. Now you see that you can use your image or video, anyone. If it's image or video you want to swap, that's what this interface is basically letting you know, that you can swap a face on an image or a video, or you have multiple faces. Let me just show you what it looks like. This first part is for image only, then this one is for video. The last part, of course, is for multi-characters, when you have more than one person in a photo. Now this is where you have to upload the picture you want to swap to. So to swap the face in a video, you're going to touch this place and upload the video. Let the video load like this. You see my video now, it has detected my face. Then you come here and also upload the photo you want to use. After that, you hit the generate button. Wait for it to load like this. Now you see mine has loaded. Now this is where my photo is loading. Then you hit generate, wait for it to load so that the face can swap. Once the face swap, you will have your result, and it's very simple. This is my result. You see, it is very similar with everything is exactly the same. It's just my face that changed. Go ahead, long press on the video and download to your gallery. Now compare the video I just downloaded to my gallery and the video I initially uploaded. What are the differences? Like, it's the same, right? If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.